Also, we have a trailer. Thank you.
Number ano daw kan?
Okay, thank you. So guys, we are on the lane number 5. Ayan na. Waiting lang tayo sa boarding, guys. Lakas ng ulang kanina. Aming muchacha nasa likod, nag-iisip na naman dahil sa lakas ng alon, guys. Nag-iingayin yung mga kotse. Ang lakas po ng alon eh, parang habagat na habagat. Kaya dito lang ako sa loob ng sasakyan. Tingnan po natin sa taas. Akyat tayo. Titingnan ko lang sandali. Maya konti na tayo sa pier. Baka magtambay muna tayo sa ating ano, sa camping site. Walang tigil ang ingayan ng mga kotse, guys. Ayan. Kasi nga masyado maalon, guys. Maglalakad-lakad muna tayo. Yan si Mami siya eh. Itong ating service. May dala tayong trailer kasi makukuha din tayo ng kahoy panggatong. Mami sana kinukuha lang yung aking cup. Di ba may cup, Mami? Oh, thanks. Just taking a walk. Ito po ang ating campsite. Yung gusto mag-camping dyan, here in Sarimaa, Capra.
Cardibara Camping OU.
Yeah. You can come here, guys.
Let's visit in Sarimaa. Cardibara Camping OU.
OU? OU. Yeah.
You can enjoy your stay here. So clean.
Really?
And they have
Clean.
a lot of facilities like you have toilet, clean toilet.
Really?
And have a kitchen. You can shower, take a bath. You sleep well also in the camping area.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where we're gonna take a walk.
It's very peaceful place.
We just been walk here before, right?
No, I'm not.
Before.
Maybe you have someone
Oo.
with you.
It's call it maligalig talaga.
Because I never
Dawa na tayo
never
dito,
been
mami.
here.
Yung kotse. Lumagpas tayo, remember?
I don't know.
Ay,
But it's like just a walk. You see, you walk here. I'm also a neighbor.
daming tao.
Dami tao.
Balik na tayo. Makapagbintang tayo dito. May aso. Ayun o, kurikor.
May namamagat
habulan
daw ng
tayo.
ano. May
Balik na
namamagat
tayo,
daw
guys.
na aso.
Kasi may nakalagay na signage doon na may aso.
May aso kaya takbo.
Uy, ikaw nga mami. Pag ikaw, ako mabilis ako tumakbo eh.
Aba, hindi mo alam, runner ako dati. Baka maiwan
Dati
ka.
yun. Mukha pag pinagat eh.
Baka pag makita mo, puti na lang ng talampakan ko yun.
Balik na tayo guys. Kasi may naka-signage dun sa ano, kurikor. Baka mamaya eh, biglang lumabas yung aso. Imbis na ayos ang lakad eh, takbo.
Ang sarap mag-walk-walk dito sa umaga guys. Yung feeling mo na ano, nasa Baguio ka lang.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the climate is so perfect.
Pasok nga daw dun.
Hi guys, this is the entrance of Cardibara Camping OU. Yeah. They have a little playground. Yeah. If you have kids, they can play there. Yeah. Huh? Yeah. And that's our service. So, Tora-tora. Tora-tora with matching hila-hila. Yeah.
Hila-hila ng trela.
This is the kitchen, you know. This is the kitchen. Look, it's so very clean.
It was open, this one. The other one.
How about the other one? Yeah. Ay, yeah. Yeah, you can cook, you can wash. Yeah. Very nice. And this is the toilet. Look at it. So right? Yeah. And that's the main house. The owner house. And that's my husband. House for 2 nights. Yeah. And this is my sister. Number ayan, kanyang ano, bahay. Sarap nga ng tulog niya, kagigising lang.